So everything we do here is all about coffee.
Deborah Taylor.
Russell Snow.
Len Laskowski.
Coffee's interesting to me. I feel like it's a growing company and products coming out like the e-cup.
I had signed up to work at the school board operating the boilers. I passed the test, but then they went on strike. And that was 36 years ago. They went on strike and there was a job freeze. I was offered this job, so I'm here.
I like working here because it's a family-run business, and they care about the people that are working here. They've allowed me to grow. I started out in as a shipping manager, and now I'm the quality assurance manager.
Every morning, when I get up and make a cup of coffee, I know that everybody else is having their cup of coffee as well, and I had something to do with it.
Cool thing about manufacturing is coming in every day and the products, the people, the company itself. It's family oriented and they make us feel welcome.
There's so many different processes along the line: roasting it, grinding it, packaging it, making sure that the weights are correct and the right amount of product going into the boxes. And then we do several different steps to the testing in here in the QA office to make sure that the customer is getting a consistent product every time. That's our main goal.
The people I work with and for.
Learning different processes. The people that work here are great. We have a good time. And when you can have a good time when you're working, that's a good thing.
The best part of the job is I get free coffee.